this video, we will show you how to assemble the blower tubes on a RedMax backpack leaf blower. Always disconnect the spark plug before servicing your leaf blower. There are a few tubes to connect on a RedMax backpack leaf blower. You have your tube coming out of the air outlet, your swivel joint tube, and your throttle tube where the throttle lever connects. When you connect the throttle lever, make sure to align it on the throttle tube groove. To fully connect the throttle lever, insert the bolt and tighten with the nut on the other side. Once you have all the upper tubes connected, you connect the throttle cable through this little hook right here that's connected to the swivel joint. That way the throttle cable isn't hanging loosely anywhere. Then you want to make sure you tighten the clamp around the swivel joint and the throttle tube to secure them in place. And your next step is to connect the two lower tubes. To connect the lower tubes, you need to align the notch in the throttle tube with the groove in the lower tube. And once you have them aligned, turn to the left to lock in place. Then to attach the final lower blower tube, align the notch with the groove, insert, and turn to the left to lock it in place. And that's how to assemble the blower tubes on a RedMax backpack leaf blower.